Okay, Harry, can you please mute? Yes. Okay, so today's we will target to complete raise and slash grant functionality today. So in this, what we will do is we will be managing our. I think that part is complete or not. Okay, we have completed manager, so that is also being covered. Um, Search functionality we have covered. Okay. Okay, then if that is also covered, then today's I will cover the functionality of. You can go ahead with. Let me select what. Bootcamp. Okay, then we will go ahead with the showing uh, chart. So you all have also to implement chart based functionality. So today we will cover that part. So first thing is I will create a page, that page dot view. So what we can show, we will try to show number of. So I will be creating a bar chart on the basis of, let's say, number of roles We can uh, number of roles user have, and this type of information we will be sending. So first thing is, let's create an API. So class stats page resource. It would be a get request. We will be just so previously what we usually do was, so in this we will be just sending the data from the front end to the back end side, and then the back end, sorry, from the back end to the front end side, and in the script part we will use that particular data to user.role. What we are doing, we are running a query in our database, in which what we are doing, we are doing on the basis of user.role. And so we are getting two information. One is the user roles, and another is that db.function.code user id, count of user id. So how many user ids are present for a particular role, and then we are just grouping in a proper format. Then we will just, what we will do is, we will just return it to the front end side. Return role count for role, comma, and here we will stat page dot slash API slash stat. Now if I save it, we run this 3D. First we will check it on the Thunder client. Slash API get request send. So we are getting account, admin, and store manager. If there was user, so then we will be seeing user as well in the this part. So you can see also we are getting the user part here. Now we will now we will write the front end side logic of it. So now first thing you have to do is front front end. You have to install npm install chart.js, vue.chart.js. So this we will be installing. I will add in the docs as Matplotlib you can use, but for that you have to save your, one ways you have to send your all the file from the backend to the front end, and then or other ways save it somewhere, and then just use the route in the front end side to show it. So these are the two ways which through which you can do it. But this is charges, it's a little bit interactive side of showing any charts or something. So that's why you can use, so both ways fine, however you like. Session number I think 5, 15th October 4. Okay, I have pasted in the docs as well. Now we will go template div bar chart, chart data, chart data, and we will write the script here. Import bar from view chart JS. Import Axios from Axios. Yeah, this you have to remember that whenever you are using some any bar chart, pie chart or something, you have to first import it from the view chart JS, and then you have to define it inside the component. Otherwise, you would not be able to use it inside this template part. So like, you can mention, but it will give you an error or something, or it will not recognize it properly. So that thing you have to take care of, and then chart data labels, comma data sets. So let's number of users, mounted function to call fetch user counts, and next thing we will write is our method using fetch user counts, try const dash dash. What is the API name? Huh? This dot chart data dot labels equals to object dot keys. So now what we are doing is, first thing is we have called axios.get thing, and we have requested for the data. We get the data and save it inside the variable name data. And then what we are doing, so this chart.labels right now is empty, so we are storing the labels, the key. So the key is uh, so this is the key part. So we are storing the keys inside the label section, and the values which each key contains, we are storing it here. So now if we go npm serve import component. Hmm.
Nishka, sorry to disturb, but did you had the chance to look into the problem that we were facing? Like when we refresh, it is not getting updated.
I think first error is this one.
Hello, Nishka?
Yes, yes.
I too have the same problem.
So
The server is
this,
not restarting automatically.
yeah, yeah, that's what. So you are doing right. Refresh, you are doing here, but for us, for me at least, it is I have to stop the server and then start it.
Yeah, I'm also facing the same problem. Every time I make it small change, even for small changes, I have to stop it and then I have to restart.
Yeah.
Yeah, it takes
Okay,
around.
okay. So we can do one thing. I will complete. So for if we go to the functionality wise, so other than backend jobs, we do not have anything else to show. Most of it we covered in the previous session, which happens on 11. So after this, this chart.js thing, we will you can start sharing your screen, or anyone can share your screen, and then we will try to solve that particular issue. That is fine, right?
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yeah.
Kotai, just
Yeah.
let me complete this thing, then we will do it with,
Okay, right, right. Okay.
yeah. data, labels, data sets. Fine. Why mounted is not.
Reading labels, huh? I'm not able to read some labels actually.
uh, But labels is present, right? Chart data dot labels.
This chart data is an object which has these properties like labels.
Okay, I think the error is this one. We put a if condition. I think the error can be that this bar thing is trying to access the chart data, but there is nothing present at the starting, so that's why it is giving an error. This now mounted call. That's response with data. Which thought somewhere.
The front end is running.
No, now we are getting the data. Previously, we were not getting the data. Okay, another way. Now we will try to use simple chart.js instead of view. Chart dot register registrables. So we will register all the necessary components. Now we don't need this. The chart. So what we are doing, if there is already chart present previously, we are destroying that previous chart and then creating a new my chart comma. Here we can mention bar list dot. We have responsive. We can use plugins here. So that's it. Now put like this. Refresh. Content. And extra arrays travel is not a table. NPM But error fetching user counts. Oh, okay. I think the error was in this part. We have not called the bar element. This one. Like you can use this chart view chart.js to create charts according to your needs. So this is the way to create a charts. Any doubt in this part? If today was little bit messy, but if you have any doubts, you can ask. Any doubts? Okay. Okay, then we can move ahead with Kotai. Can you please start sharing your screen?
Yeah, I'll do it now.
Yeah.
Can you see it now?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, it is already running. The server is already running. If I make some changes, it will not restart. If I save it, it won't restart here. Here I have to, every time I do Control C and then I'll restart every time. And it takes too much of time.
Yeah.
Yeah. Shall I cut it and restart? Hello?
Yes. Yes. Wait. Wait.
Uh, Speak around.
Can you open your VS Code?
Yeah, yeah.
Uh, check your file name, something view.config.js. If you in the left hand side scroll down, view
View.config.
dot.
Yeah.
Yes. Uh, that's the one. Watch files. Okay, do one thing after on the fifth line after the small big bracket is closing, comma, enter, uh, hot colon true.
What?
Write hot,
Hard, HARD.
no, hot, hot,
Hot, okay.
colon true.
Column.
No, colon, yes,
Hot,
The
colon.
colon, sorry,
and
colon,
then true. True.
true.
Yeah.
T small,
Okay.
yes, save, yes. Now one stop your server and run it once again.
Both the servers?
No, just the front end one.
No.
So in my case, the difference is I think the I am running it from the WLS command line, and the backend is from the Windows system. But
I was
I don't.
I was also doing the same.
So
I'm
how
also working from WSL only.
you are running from WSL?
Yes.
Okay, okay. So I don't have this entry like dev server in my config file. I just checked. So let's
Oh,
hope that this works good. Then probably I can also use it.
Yeah.
yeah, okay. Let's see. Okay.
Okay. Shall I do some changes in the
First,
front end?
open it in a browser. Yeah, okay. Change your welcome message to something else.
Where is the outcome? Maybe I'll do something in login page. I'll do something.
L- Let's do one thing. Change your line number 9, login page, and then
Yeah. See, it's not restarting.
go,
Just go to the login page and refresh.
go to the login page.
Wow, that's a good login page. Very good, Kotai.
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, it is not changed. It's only login page.
Okay.
My, mine is very crude actually. I tried it, but mine app is looking very, very raw, very crude.
And every time it restarts, it takes too much of time. Even for just a
Around
mistake of a comma or colon, I have to cut it and then restart, and it will go for so long.
around 30-40 seconds it takes.
Yeah.
Okay, do one thing. Go to your browser again.
Yeah.
Hit F5. No,
Where?
go to a login page again. Login page. Do F5.
F5.
Yes. Function.
I did it. Nothing happened.
Okay. Right now you are running your server on WSL, right?
Yes.
Can you change it to PowerShell and check again that this uh,
How to do it?
you would be seeing you would be seeing an option of PowerShell, right?
Where?
You don't have, yeah, in the same thing, the drop down column where you see multiple terminals.
Split terminal?
No, that is not.
No.
We are only seeing. Can you open the current folder structure in a CMD?
CMD.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
CD front end. No, no. CD. Yes. npm run serve. npm install -g space @view slash CLI. View slash CLI.
I think in the starting sessions, I already tried this, but since it did not work, I was forced to install it through WSL. What I-
I think your node, your problem was node module not or node not being recognized, right? None. Your problem was.
No, the same thing is coming actually. I tried this way also in my setup, but it is not working. Actually, similar error is coming.
Okay, let's see if
Yeah, sure, sure.
Adnan, can you please share your screen as well? We will try two different methods, one in Kotai and one in yours.
Sorry?
No, no, Adnan.
Okay.
Yeah,
Shall I
you can
stop
go ahead.
that?
No, you also go ahead.
Okay, okay.
We will try different methods, one on and fine one. Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Open your viewconfig.js. Yeah. Okay. Do one thing. After fifth line, paste this one. I am sending a command. Paste it there in the meet check. Adnan. Kutai, once you are done with once this CLI being installed, just
Okay.
inform me.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes. See this Adnan. Here, close your front end server and run it again.
See, it takes so much of time actually after we shut it down.
You open some login page or something. Okay. Change. Let's say change the label for username. Username to line number 5. That is not working. Do one thing. Do instead of putting localhost, go to your browser again. Network is also showing.
So earlier, this I mean, this in the after the network, some other thing was coming, some other IP was coming.
Okay. Can you remove this then? 6th to 10th line. Undo the work. Yeah. Save. Scroll
Yeah.
down. Yeah. Stop and run again. I think.
What about Kutai? Kutai, did you? I mean, did it make
Yeah,
any
it is
difference?
Uh,
finished. Yeah, it is
yeah.
finished.
Yes. Now run your npm server. Npm run sir.
No, it's not coming. Discuss it. It's
Yes.
not
Yes.
coming. Still the same problem.
Wait. Okay. Wait. 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 I think. Can you run view dash dash version কোথায়?
Yeah,
Yeah,
view
view dash dash version. Yeah, it's coming.
5.0.8.
Yeah.
Now make the change again. Like
For me,
no. Adnan. Okay, do one thing.
Yeah, I did the change now. I just saved it.
Refresh. Change your localhost to 127 point something. Okay, for you. Yeah, whatever the network section which you're seeing. 172.17 point. This one. Try with this one. For you.
No, man.
Okay.
Maybe you can check at your end, ask at your end, and then. And one more thing I was facing, like I was trying to add this service now. Since the services are added, but these headings are
Hmm.
not coming in line with the fields actually.
Like that is a CSS. So yeah, when you
Okay, that is
implement
the case.
CSS, yeah, uh,
Okay, I got it.
do ls কোথায়?
Yeah,
Yes,
but this
ls command.
thing, it is not Linux, it is Windows.
Uh,
LS is for Linux, no?
So in your WSL, probably that would work if you're on the WSL terminal, not that. I'm sorry, I'm not able to see it, but
Yeah, yeah, I can.
so Nishkash,
okay.
I need to leave. You are not discussing anything new today, right?
No, not new. I will be just solving this issue. The issue, the most thing I found is submission WSL. It did not recognize file got updated or something. So most probably we have to run it through PowerShell only. Now the thing is to just recognize that PowerShell to recognize the command.
Okay. Okay. I leave the meeting if anything
Yeah,
finds out.
sure, sure.
Kotai, can I sync up with you later, Kotai?
Yeah, okay, no problem.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone. Yeah. Bye.
Shall I also leave, sir? I will check the file,
Yes,
sir.
yes.
Okay, sir. Thanks, sir.
What should I do now?
Wait, wait. I will just check.
Okay, okay.
Okay, do one thing. Open your project folder where it is open. Yes. Go to your front end folder. Yes. Delete node modules folder. Okay, then go back to your CMD terminal.
It is Windows. Is that okay?
Yes, and npm space install. Yes, enter. Wait. Okay, now try npm run sir.
That's stopping. But we need WSL or Linux for that backend jobs, right? Celery and Redis. Is that Windows is enough?
For backend, we will be using WSL because Redis creates problem. Okay, now it's running. Go to a browser.
Yeah.
Yeah, refresh. Okay, now no, that is previously. Now go to your VS Code and make it to again to login page only. Line number 9.
Line number 9. Okay.
Just login page. Remove, save. Yeah, now go back to a browser. Okay, it's happened. It
It's
happens.
already changed. Yeah.
Yeah.
So no need for me to connect to the WSL, right? I can directly do it from this command prompt.
Yes.
Okay. What about the front end server?
No, the front end is running on the that thing, right? Windows terminal. For
Okay.
backend, it is recommended to go with the WSL.
WSL.
Yeah.
Okay. Here I have to do it, right?
Yes.
And one more thing in that this one page, that pending approval page, I have some
Yes.
error. It's not coming. It is my third page on services. This one works fine. All CORD, everything works fine. Here it
Okay.
is for this. Here the listed pending service providers are not listed here.
Okay. Can have you check with the backend thing that the data is coming or not in the front end side?
It's not at all going in that here in the back end. Here
Like
it
that
is
is
not
just
coming to here at all. It is not coming inside the function at all, because whenever it runs this welcome to get request didn't come here.
okay. Can you check the API? The API. This class is linked to which API? Can you show me the API?
Yeah.
API/admin and planting approvals. Okay, and okay, go back to the class again. Uh, JWT required. Okay. Now open your view page, which is taking care of service one.